We are pleased to show you the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, airbags front, passenger seat cushion, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.